Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the green screen effect in Instagram Reels so you can create fun and professional looking videos. So first, go ahead and open your Instagram app and swipe to the Reels camera. So from here, just swipe it and then go to Reel. Now from here, on the left hand side, you want to tap the green screen effect. Once you have chosen the effect, you'll need to pick a background image or video from your gallery, and this will replace your background while keeping you in the foreground. You can also adjust the position, scale, and timing of the background to fit your video perfectly. Now, record your reel as usual. The green screen effect will automatically replace your background while keeping you in focus. After recording, you can add music, text, or stickers, just like any other reel. And basically, that's it. Using the green screen effect is a fun way to make your Instagram Reels more creative and engaging. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.